At Amalinde, where the Amatole rise, surrounded by Xhosa's ancient wood, a warrior's heart met its final test. Makgotya fell, his blood soaked the earth. The earth soaked his blood, Makgotya fell. A warrior's test met at heart's end. In ancient Xhosa, where the forest lies, the Amatole stand, where Amalinde cries. Makgotya, your spirit echoes in the wood. In the shadow of the mountains you stand tall. The battle's roar still whispers through the trees. Amalinde remembers, though you are gone. Gone you are, though Amalinde remembers. The trees whisper still, the battle's roar. Tall you stand in the mountain's shadow. In the wood echoes your spirit, Makgotya.